First of all, here's a really cute puppy because I want to start the video out with puppies. Business education videos are always, I don't know, they're always informative and great, but business is a tough climate, so you got to start out with puppies. All right, so let's get into the real stuff here. What we're going to be doing is going through a quick agenda. So we're going to start off with an introduction. We're going to go through the basics. We're going to talk about specifics, so basic specifics. And then we're going to talk about a quick example of a really, really great person who implemented this exact method and got great success with it. And then we're going to talk about quick conclusion. So let's get into it. So in the introduction, we have to understand one thing, and that is Amazon is a corporate giant. All right, they probably reside in a giant building like this. Actually, they do, I think somewhere in Washington State. They want to make a lot of money just like you, but they don't have unlimited resources and they don't have unlimited employees, and they can't pay those employees, unlimited money. So they have to figure out different ways to make money, and they want to maximize their profits. So one of the ways that they do this is that they cut a deal with you. And in you, I'm going to be defining you in just a quick moment here. But what they do is that they cut a deal with you so that you make them money and they make more money. So they make more money and you make money too. And so it's sort of this system where every dollar they make, you make a certain amount of money. And it's a really, really cool system. And it's especially great because you're partnering with such a corporate giant. Amazon is a huge brand. Everybody knows about them. So it's really important that if someone's buying something off of you, that they know and trust the seller, and that is Amazon. So let's go through the basics real quick. You're going to be an Amazon associate. You're going to be an affiliate marketer. If you don't know what that is somebody who sells other people's products and gets a bit of the money, gets a bit of the profit from the person that you sell for. So if you, for example, sell for Walmart and you're an affiliate marketer for Walmart, and they do have a program for that, by the way, and somebody clicks on your link and buys something off of Walmart, you get some money for doing that. It's called a commission. And some commissions are really high, like 50%. Some are low, like 2%, 3%. Some are in the middle, like 10 to 15%. That's generally where these big brands like Amazon and Walmart tend to be. So it's pretty easy to sign up. You just go to the Amazon Associates website. It's easy and free to join here. And this is something you'll see on the Amazon Associates website. It says, quote unquote, get up and running today. Just one approval to join. No third-party advertiser approvals. Then you just press join now in the bottom there. Then you're just going to sell Amazon products. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a quick second. There's no shipping involved, no handling, nothing hard. That's the really important thing here. This is a really, really simple process. So now to talk about the specifics, because that's, I guess, the meat of this whole thing. You know the basics, you know kind of what you're going to be doing, but this is showing you exactly step by step how to do it. So let's talk about it. So once you sign up as an Amazon associate, you'll want to create a WordPress website. Now don't freak out here because creating WordPress websites is actually super, super easy. If you want to make your own WordPress website, go ahead and open up another tab and do a quick Google search. But if you can't create your own WordPress website, go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, like the logo says, and just search on Fiverr for Amazon affiliate website, and someone will do it for you. So go there. Here's a quick example of somebody doing that for you. This is a gig where it says, and you'll notice they have 5 stars, 40 5-star reviews. I will create SEO friendly Amazon affiliate website. And as you can see here in the standard package, which will cost you $50 if you choose to do this, you get a great design, 7 plugins and extensions, which will help you, 100 Amazon products, 5 pages, e-commerce functionality, design customization, content upload, and it'll be really, really great for SEO, and this only takes 4 days for this person to do it for you. You get full ownership of the website. It's like your very own business, and it's kind of done for you. It's super easy. You click, you buy this, and somebody builds your own business for you. So again, if you can't, Fiverr people will literally set up everything for you. So if you choose to do this by yourself, or if you get Fiverr to do it, bottom line, what you want is to make sure that you have embedded Amazon affiliate products on your WordPress website, And Amazon shows you exactly how to do this once you sign up. It gives you quote unquote links and then like these HTML sort of links, which you paste either in your website or on WordPress, or you just give it to the person who has on Fiverr who's doing it for you, and they'll do it for you. Or you can just say, here, I want these products, and they'll put them in there. And then you're going to want viral niche articles on your website. Now, these viral niche articles are either going to be written by you or by somebody you hire. Again, you can use Fiverr, but honestly, you should write them because it's pretty easy to do. Writing is one of the simplest things you can do as far as online business goes. And so, especially when your viral niche articles don't have to be super, super high quality grammar or anything like that. You'll want to write these because you are going to be utilizing SEO. So finally, SEO. So you want to get your website ranked for the top terms. So for example, if you're doing like a cooking website, you'll want to make sure that, how to cook or what to cook with black beans. For example, let's say you have a recipe that uses black beans. You'll want your website article, and let's say you write an article called, 10 best recipes with black beans. You want to make sure your article shows up for a search term like what to make with black beans. Or for example, another one would be like best recipes for black beans. So how do you do SEO? Well, I would again open up another tab. Make sure to stay for this whole video because it's incredible information here. You seriously don't want to miss out. But so go ahead and open up another tab. This is kind of a sideline thing, and go ahead and search on YouTube for how to do SEO. There's people, there are people better than me at SEO, so they should be the ones teaching you how to do that specific component of this. But I am kind of a master at affiliate marketing, so yeah, and using Fiverr. I use Fiverr so much. All right, again, yeah. So or again, use Fiverr. And make sure you show up on the first page for commonly searched phrases and terms. And again, you can literally hire people on Fiverr to do very simple SEO for you. Make sure you show up. And the reason search terms are so important is because searches are the only way, almost the only way, to get consistent visitors to your website. Write niche articles with long tail keywords as the title, embed that in multiple places in your article, and get someone to do some backlinks for you. Do the SEO involved to get each article that you create for your website to show up on search results for specific terms. And make sure those terms have between 1,000 and 10,000 searches per month. And you can find out how many searches a specific term has by going to a keyword planner. So just Google keyword planner in another tab, and that will show you what to do. I think it's a Google thing as well. It's through Google AdWords. It allows you to do that. So here's a quick example of somebody who's done this really, really successfully. I'm going to show you a really, really great website example, and you're hopefully going to be encouraged just like that guy here. So in the following short clip, I'm not going to be talking over it because what I want you to do is I don't want you to be distracted. I want you to observe as much as you can from this website because examples are the best teachers. So go ahead and observe as much as you can from the following clip, and we'll review it in just a quick second. So as you could see from the example, the website included the following. It included many viral health-related articles. So you saw articles relating to things that you might find clickbaity, or whatever your definition of that is. And you'll find inspirational pictures in the articles. So, somebody with abs or like a really good piece of food or something. And this increases adrenaline. So pictures, and especially inspirational stuff, will increase adrenaline, will increase testosterone if you're a dude. And this could potentially lead to more sales because it leads to impulsivity. Now, you're not trying to manipulate people or take advantage of them. I'm just noting a fact. This also makes the article look more whole. So articles with just words can bore people often. So you want, bold titles, interesting titles, buzzwords. You want things like pictures and links, etc., to make your article look more pleasing to the eye, more sort of digestible. And as you saw, there are Amazon Associate products everywhere throughout that particular website and that article that we went through. So let's check out those Amazon Associate products just to show you guys. So these were some of the Amazon Associate products that the website had, that it featured. And as you remember from the short clip, that website or that article was about health related stuff. And as you can see here, you can just pause the video and read the titles of all of these Amazon products. They're all related to health pretty much. So I don't know what Tony means over there, but Belly Fat Effect, Mayo Clinic, Living the Healthy Life, etc. You guys get the point. They're all related to that kind of stuff. And notice that they're all very highly reviewed. 5 stars, 4 stars, bottom line, that's what you need. Because obviously if someone sees an affiliate product with 1.5 stars, they're probably not going to buy it. So in conclusion, go out there and work hard, use these tools to essentially do whatever you can to make this work for you, because this is an incredible, incredible system that tons of people around the world are using. And again, be very, very patient, because results aren't going to come automatically. You're going to have to do some trial and error. You're going to have to figure a lot of stuff out. But the hardest part, is pretty much setting this whole thing up and sort of learning the basics. And finally, utilize your resources if you want. I'm not going to tell you should absolutely do this or that, but personally for me, when it comes to online business, Fiverr is my savior. There's lots of things that I don't know how to do in online business, such as I'm not great at SEO. I'm not great at I'm good at script writing, but I don't enjoy doing it. So I get people on Fiverr to do things for me, and that leads to great results. There's going to be no guarantees, obviously, in this video, because that's the enemy of any YouTuber who's even mildly intelligent. But this has worked for tons of people, and that's just a fact. And I learned this from Jay Westman. He's a pretty popular YouTuber, has over 100,000 subscribers. He's been kind of inactive from YouTube for a while, but he's an internet marketer. Genius guy, pretty funny. I don't know. He's kind of an acquired taste. You can go ahead and check out his channel if you want to. But he used it to basically make full-time income from these niche article websites. So make sure they're like viral topics like health and online money making, etc. Those kind of things sell really, really well. And so if you do something like that, make sure your niche website has catchy titles, catchy pictures, etc. And make sure that the products you're selling are also catchy.